group I'm in.
Day one on track. So this is day one of Almeria. So the setting up day, this is going to show you fuel cans, how to fill, how it all works. Just some quick clips of day one around the track in the slow group, me and Mark. Simon was in the fast group. And just a bit of banter and our trip in the car there and the way home. So I'll be filming days 1, 2, 3 and 4, so hold tight. Watch the full series saved in the playlist here. Episodes 1 to 3 shows taking the bikes to Focused and the flight from the Stansted Airport to Almeria. Hold tight.
Got sunrise over Almeria, first day here. Weather's looking a little bit rainy I think today, maybe, but the rest of the week's looking good. 20 degrees, it's quite mild now. Just getting up to go to breakfast. Here we are, there's Gary getting ready, look. Yeah, lovely, thank you. Nice little, let's have a little look around here quickly. Nice little apartment.
Simon's nagging, he wants us to go.
Yeah, well, I'm an old man, I need my time to get up. There's a nice bathroom, look, beautiful. Here's our little bedroom. We're in beds, thank God. But yeah, slept well. Nice little place, kettle, all that, fridge. There's Gary videoing himself.
Mark videoing me,
Videoing him.
Ooh, here we go. Boys on Ollie. We better go, Simon's nagging.
Oh, yeah.
Have a little Pat Fanny attack.
Let's go. Got a nice view there. Look at that, beautiful.
This is Gary now reporting for Build Stuff and Bikes at Gaz 99968. We're just having a nice healthy breakfast. How was breakfast, Mark?
Not bad, 9 out of 10.
Are you holding tight?
Holding tight indeed.
Hold tight. We're going now. Simon's nagging. He's crying. He's too fat for breakfast and too tight. Doesn't want to pay for breakfast. So we're in on our own. We think he's driven off in the car and we're going to have to run to the track, but we'll let you know later. Hold tight.
Here we are, breakfast. Gary stuffing his face. Bit of cake, you'll get fat, boy, you'll get fat. Look at him. We're holding tight, Gary.
Oh, we're holding tight.
Hanging the cliff.
Is it getting worse, do you think? Or is that... It does look a bit...
That cliff has collapsed under that.
Well, people live there.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Is that the circuit there?
Just on our way to the circuit now. Look at this scenery here.
That's the circuit, Mark. There it is.
Where?
Just there.
On the right? Oh yeah, it's there. It's coming up to it now. Beautiful, Olive County.
Not quite yet.
Look at this, beautiful day. Nice.
Not raining.
Not raining, no.
Oh,
Gary had 100.
Not windy.
Had his life savings, it was going to be raining.
In the front, it's coming out of his mouth.
How much did you put down?
There's our driver.
Put down what?
You bet. You said you
No,
were
I
going to
never
bet
betted.
this.
Gary.
Me video, Mark video.
Well, we both heard you, so.
The circuit's over there. Oh.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Life savings.
It's very windy in the front, it's coming out of his mouth.
How much did you put down?
There's our driver.
Put down what?
You bet. You said you
No,
were
I
gonna
never
bet this.
betted.
Gary.
Me video, Mark video,
Well, we
me.
both heard you, so.
And the circuit's over there. Oh.
Beautiful. There we are, just arrived at the circuit. Haven't started riding yet, just trying to get the bikes and get set up, but there it is. A little bit breezy. Nice and sunny though. That will soon be out there. Beautiful. All the garages.
Yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it? This is Keelan. Keelan on the channel.
Hey!
Mark, well, we've had him
we made
anyway.
it.
Keelan, good mate. Fast rider, not so fast. Inters. Carl, let's ours. Yo, right. Yeah, we'll go right at the far end, the farthest garage, if that's all right. The last one at the end, the furthest. Oh, the furthest garage.
What garage?
Garage, what number?
21.
21. Thank you. I don't know the numbers. We're saying the last garage. Right. Go.
I ain't got a clue what I'm doing.
Hey, I'll see you in a minute. Hold tight.
We are in the garage, pit garage. It's Gary checking his tyres up. Whoa, look at that. Gary's bike. Simon trying to plug himself in. There's the old girl there. Sharing the pit with about 10 other bikes. Bikes are out on circuit. Oh my god, it's the pit monster. Look at that, we're getting ready to go out. Hold tight, as Gary says.
Now here you can see us on the way to get fuel. You can hire a fuel can with Focus for about £10. But it's not really high because you never get the £10 back. But you have to get fuel from the petrol station. So here you can see us having a bit of car banter and getting some fuel for our track bikes.
My tyre was completely flat on the rear.
Yeah, but look at the weight's been put through it. Mine was low, mine was down to 10 side, and that was in England. So we're just, it's lunchtime, we're holding tight. I held on too tight round lap 1 and I was breathing hard, so I managed to lean off and knock
it. What was your lap time, 3:05?
No, it was 2 minutes 13 because I was stuck by idiots and Mark was out as well, so
Thank you.
so yeah, I kept losing heat in my front tyre, so affected it. I've just adjusted the compression rebound on my bike and it should be better.
I'm braking too early.
Oh, Mark, everyone is. I am. Fuck me.
I sat up and braked and I'd accelerate again.
Look, I can fill up knob cheeses. Hey, look at him. So old. Look at that idiot. He hasn't got a clue. He's just staring at it like a dick sausage. He's not holding tight. Simon Valentini not. Simon Fatty top needs to fuel up. Now he's going to be telling me to worry up. We need to hold tight.
Garage. Oh, it's coming in.
Hold tight. Hold tight. let's have some end of day in-car banter.
Speaking.
Stop it, behave. Simon's lining up to hit me because he's a big puff. There's Mark with his ball patch.
Hello.
Stuck behind an old lorry. It's like Simon being stuck behind me, or me stuck behind Mark. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Look out for day 2 on the track, part 5, where there'll be more fun, frolics, and hopefully keeping the bike sunny side up. Hold tight.